This is my house. That's a bay window. Next we've got Kelly's house. Those look like eyeballs. Oh, look that exciting. Hello. So pretty. There is Kelly. Ah! She's Rudolph.
Oh, yeah.
Now we've got Catherine's house. Wow, I almost ran into your antlers.
Okay.
My favorite is these two logs. I don't know if that's enough peppermint.
No, there's some.
I don't know.
Yeah, I know.
Then we got
Well, at least we know.
over here. We got Joan, the happy little Cyclops.
And the guy holding up there.
He's like, I don't know where to fall. Color coordinated roof. There's another eye on the back.
It's a window.
It's good, it's good. And last, over here, we got Emily's finally standing.
Skull.
Got a little skull over here.
That's in your window.
And Jimmy's on the roof. Yeah. Yeah. Notice the knotted licorice roof. Very fancy. Very fancy indeed. What do you think?